Hi, everybody. It's Avivagold, leader, facilitator of the Painting from the Source workshop here in my studio in Oracle. This is one of the paintings that just, I'm starting to give birth to. And here's my studio where the magic happens. So just take a look around. I bought this house 2 years ago with this great room. And I just want you to see it and see what's going on here. And I can fit 8 people in here painting. And I do weekend workshops here about once a month, just with small groups, 6, 7 people. So that's really fun. But going from the Oracle, Arizona studio to an amazing workshop that I'm going to be doing for the second time in Switzerland, September 16th to the 21st, a 5-day, just incredible place in an ancient castle in Switzerland on Lake Constance. And we did it last year, and we still have room for the September one this year. So I would love you to see what is happening in Switzerland. I'd love to show you some pictures of last year's workshop. So let's get a close-up in here of that. And this is the room before with the white papers. Doesn't that look exciting and scary? And this is after 5 days. The room is just filled with paintings and people who did the paintings and people from all over the world. So this is a guy from Switzerland, did that one. And here I am doing my thing. And then this is someone else. And you don't need to have any experience painting to do this. So please come, sign up. We still have room to the workshop. You can find it on my website, paintingfromthesource.com. Doesn't this look incredible? And here we are from the beginning again. So now I want to read you. If I had my glasses, I could read you some of the comments that people made. But I don't have my glasses, so you can go on my website and look yourself. I mean, people are saying that you can go on me, that I changed their life, that their life changed from doing this. And they know themselves in a way that they've never experienced themselves before, and we just had some amazing epiphanies. So email me. You can find my email address on my website on the contact page, and find out more about this and all the other things I'm doing. Bye-bye.